First of all, you pick a leg. So somebody just pick one of your legs, and all you're going to do for 1 second, you're just going to reach, see how far you can stretch, and sit back up. So do I want you holding it for 2 or 3 or 4 seconds, or do I want you only stretching for 1 second? Okay, cool. So now, ready? Pick your leg, go down. Oh, that's how far I can get. Good. So some people, so don't make up a story about it. Some people can't even touch your foot. Awesome. Some people get halfway. Awesome. Some people go all the way past. Awesome. This is not about other people. This is about you. Make sense? Now what you're going to do, the same leg that you just saw how far you can get, fine. You're going to dig that heel into the ground for 5 seconds, and when you dig it, what's going to happen is you're going to feel your leg come up and your hamstring behind your leg tighten. Make sense? Okay, so 5 seconds. Ready, set, go. Push down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Everybody, all you're doing is you're pushing the heel of your foot into the ground. Push down again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax, and now stretch and hold it for 3 to 5 seconds. And how many of you can get further now? That's it. So holding it for 3 to 5 seconds. So how long did it take for us to do that whole thing? With the back and forth, and then here we're doing maybe a minute, 2 minutes. Do this with your kids on the floor while you're getting paid for it so that your body feels better so you want to keep coming back. Does that make sense? Because if you hurt your back, or you twist your ankle, or you pop something in your knee, are you going to be back the next day with your kids?